Fromage fry. I got some chocolate. So this is a Christmas chocolate double bubble review. So I'm reviewing two products here, so we'll get on with it because I don't want it to drag on too long. So we'll start off with this one. So this is Cadbury Mini Snowballs. 110 gram bar. How many allergens are in here? Milk. That's all it says. May contain nuts and wheat. And we have got 525 calories. So have a look at that. So there's your ingredients. There's the nutritionals. Right, we'll come back to that for price. Now this one, I picked this one up ages ago. I must have picked this up in September. God. Right, anyway, this is a Quality Street Collisions. So have a look. So that is a collision of that Quality Street sweet and that one. Indulgent caramel, smooth hazelnut and crunchy hazelnut pieces. So there's the traffic lights. Now, so we've got milk, hazelnut, milk, hazelnut, milk, peanut. Peanut powder's in here. May contain other tree nuts and soya. Your important, young children less than 4 years have limited chewing ability and could choke on small sweets. Rainforest Alliance certified cocoa. Right, now this is a 235 gram bar, this one. How many calories per 100? 545. No matter where we are in the world at Quality Street, we are working together. So there is ingredients. And there's your nutritionals, I think. Right, okay, prices. What are we paid for these then? So this is a 110 gram bar. And in Tesco, at the time of filming, it's £1.50 or £1.35 if you use your club card. So they're knocking 15p off if you use your club card for 110 grams. And then this one, I looked online because I bought this in Morrison's, I think. But I looked online and you can pick this up for £2 in Iceland. 235 grams. Right, now we'll start on this one. I reckon this is going to be a bit gimmicky, innit? It's one of them where they just like put a Christmas theme to it and maybe slightly alter. How can I get in here? Oh, I can't get in here. I can't. It's one of them. Oh, here we go. Oh, I couldn't see my way in then. Yeah. I mean, what is it? Is it white chocolate added in or something? Milk chocolate with mini sugar-coated milk chocolate balls. Right, okay. So as your standard Cadbury squares. Right, let's go for it. I've got Boo Boo sat here. So the little chocolate balls are crunchy. Can you taste them? There's not that many in there. None in them two. None. Nah. Gimmicky. Gimmicky. I just ate 6 squares there. And I think I got 1 ball in all that lot. Like Hitler. Right, okay. How do we get in this? Now, we've got a little bit of a twist to this part. We'll try it first. So there we are, very chunky these are. Now the inside of that's like really runny chocolate. Not even syrup. Now here we go. Little bit of a twist to the review. There they are, the Quality Street Sweets, that these have been collided together. That's what it was, wasn't it? Yeah, collisions. So they collided these two together and come up with that. So what I'm going to do, put both of them and in there and see if it tastes similar to that. Should do, shouldn't it? Obviously the amounts are going to be different. That wouldn't be a case of just getting 100 of these and 100 of them and making that sort of thing. But they're probably, you know, but let's see if it's similar. Now, before I go, Quality Street are now doing paper wrappers. It's paper. They stopped using plastic. And these are obviously the same as they were before because they're foil. Right, here we go. Let's try it. Bit different. The texture's a bit different. This is more runnier. Let me just have one. Can't eat another load of a whole line, but let me just try one more. Yeah, the flavour's a bit different. If anyone buy this, and you must have quality, everyone buy a tin of Quality Street, don't they? Most people do. If you do buy this, just try it. I've got 2 more here, but I can't eat anymore. Just try doing them 2 together and then do that. There is a very clear difference in taste as well as texture. Them 2 together, it's got loads more flavour. If they'd have replicated that flavour into this, that would have been a really good bar. Like proper. There was this really, we don't know how to describe it, but it's real. Boo-boo, you're going to be on the naughty list. Get down. God, blimey. I don't think he saw that, Boo-boo. Yeah, I can't really describe it. There's very dominant flavour come punching through sort of after a few seconds of biting through them 2 together, and a real nice flavour. I think it's coming from that. Whereas in here, that flavour that it's not there. It might be so diluted down that it's there, but it's not distinguishable because it's just been diluted too far. Having said that, it's still a good bar. How much was it? £2 for 235. That's worth that. That is definitely worth that. It's still a good bar, but I'll tell you what, if they was to actually just go 50-50 on this, and don't worry about getting textures or anything, just melt them together, do a big block and just put it out there. I'll tell you what, that would be a good bar. Really good. That would score a half a point more than this one easy for the same price. Right, let's do some scores then. So this one, £1.50 or £1.35 if you use your club card for 110. For me, this is just Cadbury's taking the mick here. You know, it's Christmas coming. I bought my granddaughter the little bag equivalent of this. You know, I see it as Christmas. That's exactly what they do it for. It's gimmicky. Put something Christmas on it and people just pick it up for the kids, grandkids. And, you know, they're putting hardly any effort into making a Christmas product. It's poor. It really is poor. So for me, for the fact they're taking the mick, you're getting a 6, mate. You're getting a 6 because you're taking the mick with that. Yeah, too much money. It's literally a regular Cadbury's bar, which I would score higher than a 6, but they're getting knocked down because they are taking the Christmas mickey. So there we are. That's that. That will not get it up on the scoreboard. This one, very good. It's very good, but it could be even better if they just mixed them like I did. But even so, still very good. £2 in Iceland for a big old 235 gram bar. So for that, I'm going to score that. I think if that had the taste of them two, it would have got a 9. But as for what it is, I'm going to score an 8.4, I think. 8. Yeah, I think 8.4, and that would have been just in the 9s, I think. So yeah, 8.4. There we are, guys. That, well, if you've tried this, let me know what you think. And if you do the same experiment as me, let me know what you think. So yeah, that is another festive food review. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll join me again soon on another video with Boo Boo. Take care, guys. Right, here we go then, Boo Boo. God, I tell you what, you were lucky. I don't think he was watching, he was asleep. I think that's it's bedtime in the North Pole, Boo Boo. So you were lucky there. Right, here we go, head of security. Now, I think you're only entitled to 3 this time, Boo Boo, because you were naughty. Right, but we won't tell Santa. Good lad. You can get out of the way. Because we've got a Christmas question coming. That's it, good lad. Well done. Right, there it goes. That's heading off round the world. When it come back, it's going to land on the answer to this Christmas question. And it's another Del Boy question, another Only Fools and Horses question. So this is obviously, well, where did Del Boy and the boys go on their Jolly Boys outing in the 1989 Only Fools and Horses Christmas special? Where did Del Boy and the boys go on their Jolly Boys outing in the 1989 Only Fools and Horses Christmas special? Was it A, Southend, B, Margate, or was it C, Brighton? Oh, how many times have I seen that one? That's a brilliant one, that is. Brilliant. A, Southend, B, Margate, or C, Brighton. If you knew the answer to that, well done. Get in the comments, let me know, and I'll catch you again soon on another festive video. Bonjour.